All right, you guys, so we have another Walmart grocery order for the week. So I'm going to put all these up this Saturday morning. Okay, these are some of the items the girls enjoy, and they like steel popsicles in the cold time. You have shrimp, Hot Pockets, berry medley for smoothies. They like the grape Kool-Aid jammers, fruit cocktail, and then this is just for spaghetti, to make spaghetti or any pasta dishes. And this is another snack they can have for their lunch. All right, you guys, our Sunday brunch, and husband made us these delicious, what do you call them, babe?
Oh,
Strawberry
it's
French toast. Stop,
yeah,
Raylan.
it's a strawberry cream cheese French toast sandwich.
Yeah, so this is my plate. So this is brunch for this Sunday. That's the strawberry cream Raylan's trying to show you guys. You know, she's next to me. That's her plate. And then I got the French toast, bacon, and some fruit. So it looks very delicious, babe. Can't wait to try it.
Looks like that smoothie.
Hey, you guys. It is Martin Luther King's holiday today. So it's Monday. The girls are out of school. I don't know why I forgot to pull my camera out and record. But we did went to the office and did some work. All right, so the girls went to the office with me today and did some work. Okay, now you want to give it to me? Okay, so they made some stop, Dominique. Stop, turn that off.
Sound like my heartbeat.
They made some homemade popsicles. Was this the slushy mix?
Yeah.
Out of some slushy mix from the office. And what flavor? This is bubblegum. Oh, this is going to be so yeah, so they gave me one. So this is mine. Jasmine got one too. You want to say hey?
Many ones.
Tell them happy Martin Luther King Day.
Happy Martin Luther King Day. Hey guys, we made mini ones too.
Yep, they made little mini ones as well, but they ate those. Yeah. So I just wanted to pop in on Martin Luther King and say the dream. We need the dream to we're gonna keep the dream alive. We have to keep the dream alive and believe that one day we all will be all about supporting each other and not judging each other by the color of our skin, but by the content of our character. So we are hoping and striving every day to make sure that we focus on. All right, so yeah, so we're just wishing everybody a happy Martin Luther King Day. We stopped by
Martin Luther King
to
Day.
see our Nana for a little bit.
And we went to Dollar
we went
Tree.
to Dollar. Yeah, you want to tell them we went to Dollar Tree?
Yeah.
Yeah, went to Dollar Tree, got some snacks, and got us some food from Chick-fil-A. So we're back home now, and we have to get these girls ready for school for tomorrow.
You guys, you want me to show you?
No, you ain't got to show them. We ain't showing them all this little junk food we had got. It was just little stuff to get them through the day. So you know how it is when you have to work and you don't want the children bothering you. You have to give them stuff to keep them entertained. So they had their tablets, they had their snacks, they had their lunch from Chick-fil-A, and we got a good productive day in. Yes, boo? Sure, you can have some. So yeah, but yeah, just coming in saying happy Martin Luther King holiday, Martin Luther King Jr.'s holiday. And yeah, I'm gonna finish this and get going on all the stuff to prepare for them going back to school. Hey you guys, this is Clock It Time with Shayla. Just a quick minute motivation. I just want you to know that you have to, and you will believe in yourself. Believe in yourself that you are able to do whatever you need to do. You may be on a job and you don't know everything on that job. But what I want you to know is that you have everything inside of you to get through that job and to count levels. God will grant you favor, and He's always going to pull through and allow you to elevate and to climb. So do not ever doubt yourself. Believe in yourself. believe that this moment is going to carry you through the next moment, and keep going. And with that, love yourself. I love you. And I'll see you next time. Hey you guys, so today is Friday. We're about to find out more information about the winter storm. So I just want to give you an update because it's the end of the week, y'all, and I made it and we made it. I just took a break from work. I did my remote this morning. I'm on a extended lunch break, and I took some time out to clean my girls' bathroom. To get a head start on cleaning for this weekend. I washed a load of clothes, pulling clothes out the dryer, so trying to make sure all the clothes are washed so that they'll have enough clothes to last throughout the week if there's any issues with the pipes freezing from this winter storm. So, and I've already went to the grocery store and got some necessities. So yeah, and now all we can do is see what's going to happen with this winter storm. Hopefully it's not going to be too bad for Mississippi. So we're fingers crossed, hoping everything it's going to be okay, but it is definitely going to be cold. They are saying that the temperature will be 14 degrees on Monday, wind chill at 1 degree. So, you know, temperatures that Mississippians are not used to, but you know, we'll definitely get through it and see how our system can handle this winter storm. I hope everybody is being safe. Please stay in if you can. And if you have to go out, drive safely. That's all we can ask, because I know we do have workers that need to go out and work, especially business owners. So definitely just be careful out there and just, you know, stay inside if you can. Keep your family safe. So it's Friday, so I'm going to end the vlog here. I thank you guys for joining me for another week, and I will see you in the next week. God bless you, and may God keep you. And I'll see you next time. Love you guys. Bye. Okay, shout out to Jazzy for bringing home this pickle. It is looking so good. So sweet. I already took a bite. She brought it from her, what y'all have on Friday? Snack cart.
I got a baby
Looks
bottle.
so good.
I got a baby bottle.
And Dominique, she got you that? She got you that from the snack cart?
Yeah, she
Okay.
got me
A baby
baby.
bottle.
Give me some powder.
Okay.
Give me some powder. Give me some powder. I'm the one who bought
Yeah,
it for you.
this is we're still in Friday. They just got home. Girls just got home.